we're going to go ahead and do a quick body system survey. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop up a picture, I'm going to ask what the system is, and then we'll go through each of the structures associated with that system. So this one is the integumentary system. The major structures of the integumentary system involve the hair, the skin, and the fingernails. This system is the skeletal system. Structures involved in the skeletal system include the bones, cartilages like the costal cartilages or the ones attached to the ribs, which you can see in this picture, and the joints or the articulations between bones. This system is the muscular system. The major organs of the muscular system include the muscles and the tendons that attach those muscles to bones. This system is the nervous system. The nervous system contains both the brain and the spinal cord, and all of the peripheral nerves that exit from the spinal cord. This body system is the endocrine system. We are not going to do the endocrine system in this class by itself, rather we're going to weave it into other systems. Some of the organs that you'll see from the endocrine system include the pituitary gland, the thymus, the adrenal glands, in the male the testes, the pineal gland, the thyroid gland, the pancreas, and in the female, the ovaries. This is the cardiovascular system, sometimes also called the circulatory system. The major organs of the cardiovascular system, as the name implies, would be the heart, or the cardiac portion, and the vascular system, or the vascular portion, would be made up of both the arteries and the veins. This system is the lymphatic, or immune system. Organs involved here include the thymus, the thoracic duct, the tonsils, the spleen, lymph nodes, and lymphatic vessels. This is the respiratory system. Major organs in the respiratory system include the larynx, which is known as your voice box, the trachea or your windpipe, the pharynx or your throat, the bronchioles, and of course the lungs. This system is the digestive system. Organs involved in the digestive system include the mouth, the pharynx or the throat again, the esophagus, the liver, gallbladder, large intestines or colon, small intestines, the rectum, the stomach, and the pancreas. As we go through, you probably have noticed that some organs fall into more than one system, such as the pancreas in this case, or the pharynx. This system is the urinary system. Organs involved include the kidneys, the ureter, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Which brings us to the last system, the reproductive system. We'll start with the female on the left first. Fallopian tubes or uterine tubes, the uterus, the vagina, mammary glands, and the ovary. With the man, we've got the penis, the testes, the vas deferens, sometimes called the ductus deferens, the seminal vesicles, and the prostate.